Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on finger detangling. I always say that I finger detangle, but I've never showed you guys how. So today I'm going to show you how I finger detangle my hair. I swear by finger detangling. It has changed my hair game. It was a mission getting started. You guys know the story already. It took me 3 months. It took my hair 3 months to cooperate in the whole finger detangling. But it's years later. I swear by it. I always finger detangle, and today I'm going to be using a South African brand. I think it's a South African brand, and it's called Belle Naturale. And the reason I chose to finger detangle using this product is because it contains moringa seed, and it's also an oil detangling conditioner. So I thought, let me put this to the test and see if it really is a detangling conditioner. What I liked about this product is I like the slip. When we say slip, we mean that it allows your fingers to glide through. It was difficult to come out, so I had to open this up to get the product out. It was nice and soft, glided through my hair. It did help with detangling. This promises to restore moisture, detangles, promotes hair growth, and it also gives you soft and manageable curls. I like this as a detangling conditioner, which means you rinse this out after you've detangled. You don't leave it in. It did a fairly good job. But when it comes to detangling, always start from the bottom and work your way up. I've seen so many seasoned naturalistas, people in the community, and I've seen them detangle from the top. My type of hair, I grew up with my hair being knotty, tangled, dry. Detangling, wasn't very nice for me. So I understand when people say that finger detangling is very, very challenging. You might see me just brush my hand down, but I'm not detangling it. But you start from the bottom and you work your way up. The back part of my hair is so easy to detangle. I can do it in larger sections. But when I come from my ears moving forward, that part of my hair is always so tangled. I can finger detangle, and when I go back, the knot seems to be back almost immediately. So I'm always very gentle when it comes to the front part of my hair. My sections become smaller. I'm always making sure when it comes to the top part of my scalp, it's always so painful, and it's always very, very tangled. Not extremely tangled, but my fingers kind of get stuck. So I understand when detangling is challenging for you or challenging for your kids. But what I can say is with persistence, it does get easier. Use small sections. Don't take a big chunk. Start from the top, because that's how your hair breaks as well. And that's what makes detangling painful for so many kids, is because as parents or guardians, or it might be a niece or nephew, you take a brush and you start here and you brush, and when you have curly hair, it's a no-go. So to wrap up today's video, guys, always detangle from the bottom, working your way up, and work in sections. Work in sections as small as possible. It gets easy. You can train your hair. Your hair starts cooperating. I also found that trying to part my hair even into larger sections in the beginning was very, very difficult. But I persisted, I kept going, and I want to encourage you guys to finger detangle. If you're using a Denman brush, wide tooth comb, that's cool as well. But do give finger detangling a very good try. Thanks for joining me, guys, and I'll see you again. Take care.